feel like my options are absolutely endless with the amount of things that I've been able to learn, from like computer coding to packaging to 3D environmental design and everything in between. Graphic design is so much bigger than just graphic design.
We've learned a lot of stuff in ways to be efficient, ways to use your time really effectively, things that clients might be looking for when it comes to illustrations or type design.
The fact that the class sizes are fairly small, so you really get that one-on-one experience with your teachers. Nowadays, I find that younger generations are more consciously aware of the products and kind of companies that they're investing in. We see that trickling more into design, and I find the students are very empathetic, especially with one another, even to the faculty as well.
Here is some skills that you're going to need for the real world.